Hello and welcome to this new video regarding the new Google Workspace updates in May 2022. My name is Nick, I'm a new member of the Google marketing team at Cybert Media and I'm going to present to you the newest updates.
Changes regarding Google Workspace storage. As of May 2nd, all newly created documents, that is Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, Drawings, Forms or Jamboards, will be counted towards storage. Existing documents will not count against storage unless they are modified on or after May 2nd, 2022. Import custom themes from one to another Google site. You can now import a custom theme from one Google site to another. This highly requested feature makes it easy to reuse themes in your company's corporate design, for example, or help you adopt your personal style across sites more easily. AppSheet Enterprise Standard and Enterprise Plus available as add-ons. Google Workspace customers can now purchase AppSheet Enterprise Standard and Enterprise Plus as add-ons. AppSheet allows users to extend Google Workspace with custom applications without having to write code. AppSheet Enterprise enables advanced connectivity and more detailed management capabilities, among other features. If interested, simply contact Cybert Media. Join a Google Meet call from Google Docs, Sheets and Slides. Mentioned in Meg's last update in the preview, this feature should now be available to everyone. This means you can now join a Google Meet call from within Google Docs, Sheets and Slides. In addition to the option to present a document in a Meet, you can join a Meet directly with a document to better collaborate and talk with others, especially if you only have one monitor available. Share your video feed in companion mode. When using Google Meet's companion mode, you can now turn on your cameras and share your video feed with all other participants. In hybrid video conferencing, this helps the other participants to see you better rather than just through a central camera. New templates for tables and drop-down chips in Google Docs. 4 different table templates are now available in Google Docs, so you can quickly and easily insert tables for product roadmaps, approvals, publications and projects. In addition, you can now use the @ sign to insert drop-downs. With these, you can quickly indicate the status of projects or tasks, for example. You can also create your own drop-downs with individual statuses and colors. Edit multiple selected text passages simultaneously. You can now select multiple different text passages in Google Docs by holding down the Ctrl key on Windows or the Command key on Macs with the mouse and then apply various actions to all these text passages at once, such as deleting, copying or formatting them. The rollout of the feature started only a few days ago, so it may take another day or two before you get it. Set the end of recurring tasks directly in Google Tasks. Until now, you could only set the options when a recurring task should end, that is never on a certain date or after a certain number, via Google Calendar. Now you can set the options directly in Google Task itself. Space managers can now delete messages in Google Chat. In Google Chat, space managers can now delete messages from other users in a threaded space. This feature helps space managers to easily moderate their spaces and remove any content that is irrelevant or inappropriate. New banners in Google Chat protect against malicious links. Google Chat now displays banner warnings about potential phishing and malware messages coming from users with private Google accounts. These warning banners, which are already available in Gmail and Google Drive, should help improve your security even further. Add personal tasks from Google Chat. In Google Chat, you can now create personal tasks directly from individual or group messages. You can then view them in Google Tasks, in the sidebar and also in Google Calendar if the task has a specific date. Request email confirmation for booking appointments in Google Calendar. For bookings via the scheduling tool, you can now specify that users who want to book an appointment with you must also first confirm their email address before the appointment is booked. To do this, users must either be logged in to a Google account or confirm the email with a PIN code. By default, the setting is deactivated and must first be activated by you. Thank you for listening and see you in the next month of June.